For Man Kitchen Recipes, that's not just for men. My name is Kevin, and today I'm going to do some chicken wings in my Blackstone Pizza Oven. This is a request from Luis over at Trumpet Master 77. I did pizza, I did calzone, and he says, man, I want to see you do some wings in there. So tonight, I'm going to do some wings. Let's go get them ready. We'll get them in here and let this warm up to probably about 400, 450 right in there, and get them going. Like chicken wings, I'm going to use this Blackstone cast iron pan for a deep dish pizza. This was a kit, and believe it or not, I got this kit. I know you're not going to believe it, at my secret Walmart. I mean, I don't even remember what I paid for this whole kit. I don't even think it was $8. So anyway, let's do the chicken wings. All right, I got me some chicken wings here. Had them pretty well dry. They look a little moist. Had them dry one more time. All right. Okay, and then I am going to add, hang on to the paper towel for this, olive oil. I don't want to get any of the chicken juice on the olive oil bottle. So I'm just going to add some olive oil to it and mix it around. And you know, one of my favorite things to do wings is I got this world famous spicy SPG that I make, and I'm gonna actually you know, world famous spicy SPG, and this stuff is really good. So I am going to use my paper towel still because I have oily chicken gloves, and I like just coating these chicken wings with just this. And then when they're done, we'll sauce them up. Or you can eat them plain, just like this. I do a lot of times when I do these chicken wings in an air fryer, oh, this is all they need. Nice and spicy. Great for game day, great for any day. You just take your salt, pepper, garlic, add it with your favorite hot spices, and you can get your own spicy SPG. All right, so a nice coating. Don't have to be shy with this stuff. We'll soak in and let these sit for a few minutes, and we'll get this pan out to the Blackstone 16-inch pizza oven. All right, see you out there. I've got this pizza oven rocking just under 500 degrees. I'm going to turn it down just a hair and stop that table from running. Look at those wings right there. Luis, what do you think? Okay. Going to set this in there just like that. Let's get this thing spinning. All right, we'll see how long it takes. All right, these have been going for about 5 minutes, so I'm going to stop the turntable, move them out a little bit. Look at that. And I'm going to flip these over. Boy, they're looking really good. Crispy, top and bottom actually. See that? That's 5 minutes at about, yeah, it's just under 500. Okay, I think before I get them spinning again, better take a quick temp check. Look at there. Oh, you can't see that. 149, 145. Okay, so I'm going to get these in here, and let's see if we can get 5 more minutes out of it. We may only get a couple minutes. Okay, I am going to stop this again and pull it out and take a temp. I think these have been in here a whole total of about 8 minutes. Look at that. Okay, we're at 169, 170, 175 on that flat. Too far down in there. 183, 175. These wings are done. I mean, we're talking maybe 8 minutes. Okay, these out of here and onto my Blackstone wooden tray right there. All right, we'll get these in the house. We'll get some sauce on them. See you inside. Still sizzling. Got them in the house on the wooden tray. I mean, 7 minutes. Almost 500 degrees in the Blackstone Pizza Oven, and these puppies are done. All right, let me get some sauce on them. Some of them I'm gonna, probably all of them, I'm gonna use Sweet Baby Ray's Nashville Hot. All right, and we'll do a taste test. There's the wings. Man, do those look good or what? All right, I'm gonna pour some Sweet Baby Ray's on there. I'm gonna keep a couple to the side so I can taste them without. All right, there we go. Well, there you go, Luis. 7 minutes in the Blackstone Pizza Oven, just under 500 degrees, maybe 490, right in there, 480, 500. I got one with Sweet Baby Ray's Nashville Hot and one with just with my spicy SPG, which I'm going to dig into first. It looks like it might have got some Nashville Hot on it, but man, wings are so good, and they're completely done. I think that's the fastest wings I've ever made. I'm literally 7 minutes. It took a little longer when I took them out, flipped them, all that, but cooking time. Clean to the bone. And of course, the one with the Nashville Hot. If you haven't tried Sweet Baby Ray's Nashville Hot, it's good stuff. Look how nice that is. All right, well, there we have it. Chicken wings on the Blackstone Pizza Oven. I'll tell you what, you need to make wings for game day. You need them cooked fast. If you have one of these and you have a cast iron pan, throw them in there. Make sure it spins if you have a handle on that pan. I just happen to have that deep dish pizza, Blackstone deep dish cast iron pan to make these on. So good. Definitely highly recommend doing wings in your pizza oven. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Don't forget, have a great day.